Hello everyone. So we are going to create a DHCP server using a server. Okay. And before going to create the DHCP server, you must know what is the meaning of DHCP server. So DHCP server is a network management protocol on Internet Protocol networks. Basically, DHCP server automates the assignment of IP address. What? It automates assignment of IP addresses, that is means automatic IP addresses, subnet mask, gateway, and IP parameter of network will be allotted via a centralized server. So this is our centralized server. By the help of this server, we are going to provide the IP addresses to the PCs dynamically. Okay. So before going to do the configuration of DHCP server, let us give a name to the DHCP server. Let us assume we are going to provide the DHCP server name CCNA, and this is the network that is going to allot 192.168.10.0. This is our subnet mask, and this is our DNS server, and this is the gateway IP of the server. So first of all, we have to provide the gateway IP to the server. For that, go to go to desktop IP configuration 192.168.10.1. This is the gateway. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. We have just provided the IP address to the server gateway. Now let's configure the DHCP server over here. How we can do that? So go to services, click on DHCP. In DHCP, first of all, we have to provide a name like CCNA, default gateway, that is 192.168.10.1, right? DNS server 8.8.8.8. Okay, start IP address 192.168.10.2, because 192.168.10.1 already occupied by the gateway. That is why we are going to start providing the IP address from next IP 192.168.10.2. And how much IP, how many members you want to, how many maximum you want to provide the IP addresses, that is 255 we can take. Okay. So, so after providing all the details, we have to click on and add. Okay. Well, we already have created this and just click on save. After click on save, the DHCP server will be automatically created. Okay, now let's go to the PCs and try to provide the IP address dynamically. So we got the DHCP IP address over here. Okay, let's check on third one. Click on desktop, IP configuration DHCP. So we got the IP address with the help of DHCP server. Okay, dear, let's check on this one. Click on DHCP. So it will also allocate the IP address automatically. Let's click on this PC and it will automatically get the IP address from the DHCP server. Okay, so this is how we can allot the IP address dynamically using the DHCP server. So if you have any confusion, you can ask me. Have a nice day.